Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Twilio for SMS notifications in e-commerce. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Twilio for SMS notifications in your e-commerce platform, begin by setting up a Twilio account. Visit the Twilio website and click on Sign Up. Complete the registration form with your details and verify your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. In the console, locate the Phone Numbers section. Click on Buy a Number to obtain a phone number for sending SMS notifications. Choose a number that meets your needs and complete the purchase. Next, access the Programmable SMS section under the Messaging tab. Here, you'll find the APIs and information needed for SMS functionality. Make note of your account ID and auth token, as these will be crucial for integration. Now, open your e-commerce platform and locate the settings for notifications or integrations. If applicable, choose an appropriate add-on or plugin that supports Twilio integration. Install and activate the plugin, following the specific setup instructions provided. Once installed, input your Twilio account ID and auth token in the designated fields. Next, configure the sender number by entering the Twilio phone number you purchased earlier. Now, customize your SMS messaging templates to suit your e-commerce notifications. Make sure each notification includes relevant details such as order confirmations and shipping updates. After setting up your templates, test the SMS notifications by placing a test order. Monitor your Twilio account for the SMS messages to ensure they are being sent correctly. If issues arise, double-check your API credentials and phone number settings. Once everything is verified and working, enable live SMS functionality for your customers. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Twilio for SMS notifications in your e-commerce platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.